Hello everyone. Are your Gmail emails not updating or showing a scan error on your iPhone? Don't worry. In this video, I'll show you simple and effective ways to fix Gmail scan issues step by step. Step 1. Check your internet connection. First, make sure your internet connection is working properly. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data. A weak or unstable connection is one of the most common reasons Gmail scan. Step 2. Make sure Gmail scan is turned on. Now open the Gmail app. Tap the menu icon, go to settings and select your Gmail account. Make sure scan Gmail is turned on. If scan is disabled, your email won't update. Step 3. Enable auto scan on your phone. Next, open your phone settings. Tap accounts or password and accounts. Make sure auto scan that data is enabled. If auto scan is turned off, Gmail won't refresh automatically. Step 4. Check date and time settings. Incorrect date or time settings can also cause scan error. Go to settings, date and time. Turn on automatic date and time so your phone can scan correctly with Google servers. Step 5. Clear Gmail app cache. Now let's clear the Gmail app cache. Go to settings, apps, Gmail, storage and cache. Tap clear cache only. Do not clear data as it may remove your account settings. Step 6. Turn off battery saver and data restrictions. Battery saver or data restrictions can stop Gmail from scanning in the background. Go to settings, battery and turn off battery saver. Also check data usage and allow background data for Gmail. Step 7. Update the Gmail app. Open the Play Store and make sure the Gmail app is up to date. Using an outdated app can cause scan problems and Gmail delays. Last option, remove and re-add your Gmail account. If the issue still does not fix, remove your Gmail account and add it again. Go to settings, accounts, Google remove account, restart your phone, then add the account back. And that's it. These steps should fix the Gmail scan error and help your email update normally again. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, subscribe.